Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back with another Jurassic World scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at a random assortment of Camp Cretaceous and Primal attack figures. We'll start off with the Sarcosuchus repaint. So this guy here's one of my favorites because it's such a unique color. I do like the original color a bit more as it's swamp-like in appearance. But this one's very nice and vibrant, got some cool colors on the side as well. So if any point during this scan code video session, any of these codes do not appear for you, let me know which ones you weren't able to get, and I will be featuring them in the next scan code video. Looks like we're getting a bit into the shade, so we'll move the camera up a bit. There we go. Reposition it. So next we have the Ramphorynchus repaint. This one's a very interesting one. It has a bunch of red on it. So next up we have the Triceratops. This one I think is from the Dinorivals lineup actually, and it's kind of reminiscent of the Lost World Triceratops prototype figure, which is pretty cool. So next up we have the Camp Cretaceous Triceratops. Very interesting since we never actually saw Triceratops in Camp Cretaceous, but this one's got a very ice cream-like appearance, I guess, color-wise. Get a bit in the shadows, maybe. Here we go. Because it's got that like blue and the brown. I'm gonna get Spider away from me because I decided, hey, why not do this outside? And there's lots of bugs, so gotta watch out for that. So next we have the Primal attack Triceratops. A very bland color and not the most appealing figure. Very natural in look. Next up we have the Brachiosaurus. It's a repaint of the blue one from Dinorivals. So this guy's from Primal Attack. There we go. And next up we have Blue from the Dinorivals lineup. And then I think this guy's Primal Attack. He's a very poorly done Raptor in terms of color. Interesting that Mattel made something that looks like a bootleg. Doesn't really fit in with the line too well. But that's chill. Next we've got Delta from the, I think, Camp Cretaceous or Primal Attack actually. One sec. Oh, there we go. That's nice and crisp. Okay. Next up we have the Proceratosaurus from Camp Cretaceous lineup. And then the Dilophosaurus from the latest Dennis Nedry Getaway set. From the Legacy assortment. And this one's the Primal Attack Draco Rex. Pretty cool figure. Next we'll be doing, I guess the big one's in the back. Let's do Irritator. Come on. There we go. So there's the irritator. I'd wish to see that guy in a repaint. It's super cool. I love the jaws on the irritator. Next we have the Primal Attack Carnivores. A really large figure, like, especially for Carnivores standards, that's pretty big. We'll do Cyats, or Seots. This one's a neat new species. I don't think it's gonna get a repaint, but it's really cool, digging that deco on the head. Next, the Cryolophosaurus. I actually ordered the black version of this one off of Amazon, and I also ordered the Spinosaurus that comes in that line. So hopefully I get that in tomorrow, and I'm also picking up a few more figs soon from Washington. So hopefully I can get down there once the borders open up. So next we have the Majungasaurus. A very interesting figure. Oh wow, okay. So, just gonna quickly look at this. There we go. I was looking at the jaw and it's got like this piece here that goes down with it, so that's pretty neat. Okay, so next we can do the Herrerasaurus next. It'd be neat to see this one in green, actually. Got a color scheme very reminiscent of the Pteranodon, which we should do next. Let's do the Camp Cretaceous Pteranodon. Absolutely love this guy. He's based off the Telltale game. Absolutely love the color. Uh-oh. Oh, we screwed up the camera. That's not good. Can we fix it? Oh, it's just making it worse. Oh. Okay. Wow, I guess I'll have to do the scan codes from very far away. Okay, guys. Next up, we have the Alienoramus. Man, this is super difficult to do. Let's see if we can, like... Oh, we fixed it, guys. Kind of. Okay, thank goodness. Let's try and focus it in. Okay. I don't think we can get it back to normal. Oh, we can! Okay, we're good. Sorry for that little bit of technical difficulty, guys. So here's the Alienoramus. It's being repainted as well. Absolutely dig that snout. It's a relative of Tyrannosaurus, so it's got the two little fingers. Next, we've got the repaint from the Primal Attack of the Minmi. This guy's the red version. Next we have Charlie from the Primal Attack lineup. Finally getting a nice Charlie paint job. It looks like they've nailed the paint job well because they've been using this one for the past few Charlie figures. And then next we have the Ornitholestes. Very cool new figure. I thought it was Coelophysis before we got the name drop. It'd be neat if we had a Coelophysis figure, but maybe sometime in the future. Next we have the Calvosaurus? I forget the name of this guy actually. Calovosaurus? So there it is. It looks like it's an iguanodon relative. and it's got pretty swanky colors like the tail on it. Next we've got the Camp Cretaceous Saurus. It's got a pretty cute paint job. And then the Camp Cretaceous albertosaurus, or Camp Cretaceous slash Primal attack albertosaurus. So there we have it. A nice assortment of Jurassic World scan codes. So I hope that some of you guys found this helpful and got some dinosaurs for your scan code collection. So again, hope you all enjoyed, and if you want to see more scan code videos, check out my channel. There's already one posted on the guys in the back. That'll be featured right here. I'll put it in the corner here. So yeah, again, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.